Today, I will be sharing with you my best strategy and indicator that can make you so profitable in the market. This strategy works more on lower time frame like 15 minutes down and work also in all financial markets like Forex, crypto, or commodities. It is very hard for some traders to make profit off the market, but I promise that if you follow all the rules in this video, your trading losses will be a tail. All you need to do is stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to share in details everything you need to know about this indicator and strategy. This strategy and indicator is very powerful that it can grow your account in a matter of days if you understand and apply. Before we go into the video, please use 2 seconds of your time to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any further delays, let's go right into the video. First, we open our trading view chart. The first indicator we are going to be using is UT, Bot Alert. Then to add it to our chart, we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for UT Bot Alert. Select the UT Bot Alert created by QuantNomad. The UT Bot Alert indicator is an advanced technical analysis tool designed to help traders optimize their trading performance. It is based on the proven UT bot system, which utilizes multiple indicators to deliver accurate signals that can help traders make better decisions. Literally, this indicator gives buy and sell label. Looking at the indicator, you will see that it has many false signals, and to avoid some of these false signals, we are going to set the indicator. Then we go over to the indicator setting. On the input setting, set the key length to 5, and on the ATR period, set it to 7. You can go over to the style setting and customize it to your preferred color, but on this strategy, we are going to leave it at the default. Now looking at the indicator, you will notice that it gives more correct signals, and how we are going to use it is that we are going to take buy trade when it gives us a buy label, and we are going to sell when it gives us a sell label. For example, you can see that price is on downtrend and the indicator has given us a sell label. Then we can take a trade, setting our stop loss above the high and target 2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see the trade play out. But in order to add more confirmation to avoid some of this false signals, this is when we add the second indicator. Then we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Donchian channel. Select the one created by TradingView. Donchian channel is a technical indicator used in market to measure a market's volatility. The channel is formed by taking the highest high and the lowest low of the last n periods, and the area between the high and the low is the channel for the period chosen. Donchian channels are primarily used to identify potential breakouts or overbought and oversold conditions when price reaches either the upper or lower band. It is a banded indicator, similar to Bollinger Bands. Before we discuss more on how this indicator works, let's set it for it to fit the strategy we are discussing. Then we go over to the indicator setting. There on the input setting, set the length to 30 and leave other setting to at default. And then go over to the style setting. There you are going to see all the features of the indicator like the basis, which is the middle line on the indicator, the upper line and the lower line. You can customize this setting to your preferred color, but on this strategy we are going to leave it at default. So how we are going to use this indicator is that we buy when price is above the basis line and we sell when price is below the basis line. For example, here we are on BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. You see that price is above the basis line indicating uptrend. Then we check to see if the UT bot indicator has given us a buy label, and on seeing that it has given us the buy label, then we can enter a buy trade setting our stop loss below the lower line and target 2 risk-reward ratio, or you can hold your trade until you see a bearish candle form. Seeing that this indicator worked perfectly, you will notice that this indicator gives false signals using it like this without knowing the current trend of the market, and to avoid some of this false signals we need to know the current trend of the market. And this is when we add our third indicator. Then we go over to the indicator search bar. There we search for EMA. Select the exponential moving average. Before we discuss more on how this indicator works, let's set it to fit the strategy that we are discussing. Then we go to the indicator setting on the input setting. Set the length to 100 and change the method to EMA, and go over to style setting and increase the EMA and press OK. Now looking at our chart, you will notice that it looks a bit messy and confusing. Then we need to clean it, and to do that, we go over to Donchian channel setting. On the style setting, uncheck the upper, lower, and the background and press OK. As you can see now, our chart looks clean. So how we are going to use this EMA is that when it is below the price, this indicates uptrend, and when it is above the price, this indicates downtrend, and when it is flat, this indicates that price is ranging. Understanding how all this indicators works, let's see how to enter a trade combining this three indicator. Let's see how to enter a sell trade. Here we are open on BTC USD. We see that the EMA is above the price. Also is the Donchian channel basis line is above the price. Both are indicating that price is on downtrend. Then we check the UT bot to see if it has given us a sell label so that we can enter a trade. And on seeing that it has given us the sell label, this is when we can actually enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the high and targeting 2 or 3 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, the trade played out nicely. Let's see how to enter a buy trade. Here we are open on the same price of BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. We see that EMA and Donchian channel basis line is below the price, indicating uptrend. Then we check the UT bot to see if it has given us a buy label so that we can enter a trade. And on seeing that it has given us the buy label, this is when we can actually enter a trade, setting our stop loss below the low and targeting 2 or 3 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, the trade played out nicely. Note, one important thing you need to avoid using this strategy is that whenever the EMA is below the price, indicating uptrend, you are going to ignore all the sell signals given by the UT bot. And whenever the EMA is above the price, indicating downtrend, you are going to ignore all the buy signals given by the UT bot indicator. Sometimes price might be ranging, and if you see that a single candle cross both the EMA and the Donchian channel basis, and also is the same carrying the buy or sell signal, this indicates that the ranging market is over and price is ready to trend. For example, here you see that price has been ranging, and on looking closely you see that this single candle has crossed below both the EMA and the basis line of the Donchian channel, and is the same candle carrying the sell signal. Then we can enter trade, setting our stop loss above the high and target 2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, this trade played out nicely. As we have come to the end of this video, I would like to tell you that no indicator or strategy is a holy grail, and in order to use this indicator and strategy, try to backtest it over and over again to master it before you can apply it on your trading style. And if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. And also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.